To understand Zelle payment status, it is essential to know how Zelle works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. When you send a payment through Zelle, the status of the payment is crucial in determining whether the transaction is successful or not. First, let's look at the different Zelle payment statuses. The most common statuses are pending, processed, and completed. A pending status means the payment is being verified and has not been transferred to the recipient's account yet. A processed status indicates that the payment has been verified and is being transferred to the recipient's account. A completed status means the payment has been successfully transferred to the recipient's account. To check the status of a Zelle payment, you can log into your bank's mobile app or website and navigate to the Zelle section. From there, you can view the status of all your Zelle transactions, including the ones you have sent and received. If a Zelle payment is pending for an extended period, it may be due to several reasons. The recipient may not have enrolled in Zelle, or the payment may be under review. In such cases, it is best to contact the recipient or your bank's customer support to resolve the issue. To avoid delays in Zelle payments, make sure the recipient has enrolled in Zelle and that the payment information is correct. Also, be aware of Zelle's transaction limits and fees, as they may vary depending on your bank and the recipient's bank. In conclusion, understanding Zelle payment status is crucial in ensuring smooth transactions. By knowing the different payment statuses and how to check them, you can avoid delays and ensure that your payments are processed successfully. Always verify the recipient's information and be aware of transaction limits and fees to make the most out of Zelle's services.